What if I told you that some motorcycles cost more than a Ferrari? More than a mansion in Beverly Hills? These machines aren't just built for speed. They are masterpieces crafted with precision, luxury, and raw power. But here's the question: are they really worth the insane price tag? Today, we're diving deep into the most expensive motorcycles on the planet. We'll break down what makes them special, their engines, speed, and design, and answer the million-dollar question: should you ever own one? And trust me, you won't believe what's waiting at number 1. So buckle up, because this is the beginning of luxury on two wheels. 1. Neiman Marcus Limited Edition Fighter, $11 million. Starting with a bike that looks like it was pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie, the Neiman Marcus Limited Edition Fighter is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement. With only 45 units ever made, this beast comes with a titanium and carbon fiber frame that defies conventional design. Underneath, a 120 CIV twin-engine roars to life, pushing this futuristic ride to speeds over 300 km per hour, 186 miles per hour. But here's the kicker: it wasn't even supposed to be this expensive. Originally launched at $110,000, a bidding war sent the price skyrocketing to $11 million. So the real question is this engineering marvel worth the price of a private jet? Ride is about to get legendary, too. 1949 E90 AJS Porcupine, $7 million. From the future to the past. Imagine owning a motorcycle that carries racing history in every curve. The AJS Porcupine is exactly that. Built in 1949, this 500 cubic centimeters parallel twin wasn't just a bike, it was a racing legend. With only 4 units ever made, it won the 1949 World Championship, making it one of the rarest machines in existence. Collectors call it a time capsule, a piece of history frozen in metal. But here's the debate: is nostalgia worth $7 million? 3. Ecosse ES1 Spirit, $3.6 million. What happens when Formula One engineers design a motorcycle? Meet the Ecosse ES1 Spirit, a bike so powerful that buyers must take a special training course before riding it. With a carbon fiber monocoque frame, an exotic 1,000 cubic centimeters engine, and a weight so light it's almost unreal, this bike was built to shatter speed records. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a gravity-defying missile on 2 wheels. But is it $3.6 million worth of adrenaline? For Hildebrand and Wolfmüller, $3.5 million. Now, let's go back to where it all began. The Hildebrand and Wolfmüller is more than a motorcycle, it's the world's first ever production bike. Built in 1894, this vintage beauty didn't have chains, it ran with rubber drive belts and a 1,489 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine. Owning this is like owning the first ever supercar. But at $3.5 million, are you buying a bike or a piece of history? 5. BMS Nehmesis, $3 million. Some motorcycles are built for speed. Others are built for luxury. The BMS Nehmesis is covered in 24-karat gold. And if that's not enough? It features a hubless rear wheel, a 1,700 cubic centimeters engine, and an air ride system that makes it look like it's floating. At $3 million, it's less of a motorcycle and more of a gold-plated masterpiece. But here's a question: would you ride it, or just stare at it? 6. Harley-Davidson Cosmic Starship, $1.5 million. Harley-Davidson is a legendary name, but what if we told you they made a bike worth $1.5 million, not for its engine, but for its art? The Cosmic Starship isn't just a Harley, it's a canvas. Painted by Jack Armstrong, every inch of this motorcycle is a unique piece of artwork. With a V-twin 1,800 cubic centimeters engine, it still packs power, but at this price, is it a motorcycle or a museum piece? Are they worth it? From speed demons to gold-plated masterpieces, from historical treasures to artistic icons, these motorcycles redefine luxury. But the ultimate question remains: are they worth it? For some, they're investments, rare pieces that will only grow in value. For others, they're a symbol of status and passion. And for you? That's the real decision.